plane flying from the Bangladeshi capital Dhaka and carrying 71 passengers and crew has crashed upon landing at Nepal's Kathmandu airport. Nearly 50 people are reported to have died.
There are conflicting accounts from the airliner and the airport on what happened. The CEO of US-Bangla Airlines accuses Kathmandu's air traffic control for giving wrong signals. He had more than 5,000 flying hours under his belt. He also insisted that after hearing air traffic control conversation, the pilot was not to blame. But the general manager of the airport says the pilot disregarded their messages and came in from the wrong direction. Airport officials had apparently told the pilot to approach the runway from the south, but he instead came in for landing from the north.
Bangla 211, I say again, do not proceed towards runway 20. Clear to hold at your present position.
Okay, we are making an orbit to the right. Copy. Tower 1211, making a right holding for runway 02.
Okay, that's good, but do not land. Traffic is on short final runway 02.
We know that, sir. Copy. Let us know once we have clear to land.
352, clear to hold beyond 15 miles due traffic. Lima Tango standby, Buddha 352, hold. Confirm, you can hold at the present position. Copy.
FM sir, FM कता हो यो एकदम डिसोरिएन्टेड भयो जस्तो लाग्छ
त्यही त यो यसलाई त रडार भक्टर गरेर उता पठाउनु पर्छ जस्तो छ यो कता जाला एकदम यो सराउन्डिङ काँडामा चाहिँ त्यति राम्रो छैन भिजिबिलिटी
Brother, thank you sir. Bangla 211, runway cleared land and runway is vacated either runway 02 or 20. Confirm you need a vector?
Sir, we would like to land on 20.
Okay, runway 20 cleared land, wind 270 degrees 6 knots.
260, copy, clear to land.
Bangla 211, confirm you have air runway in sight?
Negative, sir.
Bangla 211, turn right and you have a runway, confirm you have a runway not in sight yet?
Affirmative, we have runway in sight, requesting clear to land, sir.
Clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 02, Bangla 212.
Brother, runway 02, clear to land, Bangla 211.
Okay, go ahead.
Sir, confirm copy.
Army 53, due traffic, Bangla 211 circling runway 20, says right now final for runway 20. Initially, can you hold at present position?
Roger, sir, we'll go.
Roger, Army 53, copy to 9 Lima Tango, Army 53 is holding at 10 miles.
Roger, sir.
9 Lima Tango, hold at present position.
Inside, sir. Are we clear to land?
Bangla 211, I say again, done.